Wondering how long it takes to charge your Tesla Model 3? It depends on whether you're charging at home or using a supercharger. At a supercharger, you can expect a 10 to 80% charge in about 15 to 20 minutes. Home charging, on the other hand, typically takes 8 to 12 hours for a full charge. Let's dive into the details. Home charging for Tesla Model 3 uses a 240-volt outlet or a dedicated Tesla wall connector for Level 2 AC charging. The power output typically ranges from 3.3 kilowatts to 11.5 kilowatts, depending on the setup. The Model 3's onboard charger is designed to handle up to 11.5 kilowatts of power. Charging a 62 kilowatt-hours battery from empty takes around 8 to 12 hours at maximum power, or significantly longer at lower power levels. This process involves converting alternating current from the grid to direct current inside the vehicle. While less efficient than DC fast charging, this method is perfectly suitable for daily home use and overnight charging. Supercharging uses direct DC power, bypassing the onboard charger, and can deliver up to 250 kilowatts. The Model 3's battery management system controls the rate to prevent overheating. Charging speeds start high, around 150 to 250 kilowatts, and decrease as the battery fills, typically dropping to around 50 kilowatts by 80% charge. You can add about 40 to 50 kilowatt hours in 15 minutes. Supercharging is about 90 to 95% efficient, with liquid cooling managing heat. Several factors impact charging speed for a Tesla Model 3. These include the charger's power output measured in kilowatts, the battery capacity in kilowatt hours, the battery's state of charge, temperature conditions, and Tesla's software optimizations and battery management system. The charger's power output, or kilowatt rating, determines how fast energy can be delivered. Higher kilowatt means faster charging, with superchargers reaching up to 250 kilowatts compared to home chargers at 11.5 kilowatt. Battery capacity in kilowatt hour affects total charging time. A 62 kilowatt-hour Model 3 long range takes longer to fill than a 50 kilowatt-hour standard range, but both benefit from higher power inputs. Charging is fastest between 20 to 80% state of charge. The battery charges quickly in this range, as shown by the charging curve, tapering off near empty or full. Cold weather can slow charging by up to 50%, as batteries become less efficient in low temperatures. Preconditioning warms the battery before charging. Tesla's software updates and battery management system optimize charging rates, enabling faster speeds and preventing degradation through intelligent control. Tesla has been rapidly upgrading its supercharger network. As of December 2025, over 90% of Tesla's supercharger stalls have been upgraded to V3, enabling faster charging speeds. Recent software updates have also unlocked 250 kilowatt DC fast charging for all Model 3 and Model Y vehicles on compatible V3 superchargers. A Tesla Model 3 long-range owner in California reported adding 200 miles, which equates to about 50 kilowatt hours of energy, in just 18 minutes on a V3 supercharger. This demonstrates the impressive speed of Tesla's fast charging network, with an average rate of around 167 kilowatts. For home charging, a Model 3 using a 9.6 kilowatt wall connector can go from 20% to 100% battery level overnight in about 8 hours, adding 50 kilowatt hours of energy. This slower but convenient method averages around 625 kilowatts and is ideal for daily charging needs. In cold weather conditions, charging speeds can drop by up to 50% without proper preparation. However, Tesla's battery preconditioning feature warms the battery before charging, helping maintain faster speeds even in freezing temperatures. The future of EV charging is rapidly evolving toward faster DC charging. Experts predict that 350 kilowatts and higher charging speeds will become standard by 2030, making long trips even more convenient. Tesla is developing AI-optimized charging that will personalize schedules based on your driving habits and energy costs. This intelligent system will help reduce grid strain and optimize charging times. Bidirectional charging is becoming increasingly common, allowing your Tesla to power your home during outages or even feed energy back to the grid. This vehicle-to-home and vehicle-to-grid technology turns your car into a mobile battery. Supercharging is ideal for long trips when you need a quick energy boost, typically adding 10 to 80% charge in 15 to 20 minutes. Home charging is more convenient for daily use, providing a full charge in 8 to 12 hours and can be more cost-effective. Consider your driving habits, access to charging infrastructure, and budget when deciding which method is best for you. Remember to check Tesla's website or app for the latest updates on charging technology.